I know y'all say I don't measure. You can't say that no more. No more. Look, it's measured. So we're gonna change him out here. We're gonna get rid of the old running over. And we're gonna find this hole right up there. Give him a new drain. Right? Yeah. Now you see, this is why you end up with not gloves after. You start off with them. But look at that. Call that pretty. I'm out of here. Easy money. Working nice. Working nice. This is the first time I put one of these in.
Oh.
I would have never bought that. But the rest of it's good.